Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Ayesha Bilal Beauty and Cooking. I'm Ayesha Bilal, and on this channel, I share beauty tips, skincare remedies, and simple lifestyle ideas to help you look and feel your best. If you love natural beauty tips, DIY skincare, healthy hair care, and easy homemade recipes, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's learn how to make a simple DIY vitamin C serum using orange peels and glycerin for naturally radiant looking skin. Do you want naturally glowing and radiant looking skin without spending a fortune on expensive skincare products? Today, I'll show you how to make a simple DIY vitamin C serum using orange peels and glycerin. This easy homemade skincare recipe uses ingredients that are affordable and easy to find. Let's get started. Orange peels contain natural antioxidants and vitamin C, which are commonly used in skincare products. Many people include orange peel extracts in their beauty routines because they can help improve the appearance of dull-looking skin and support a brighter complexion. Combined with proper skincare habits, orange peels can be a useful natural ingredient. For this DIY serum, you'll need 1 orange peel, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, a clean glass bowl, a small storage bottle. These simple ingredients are all you need to create your homemade skincare serum. First, wash the orange thoroughly and remove the peel. Allow the peel to dry completely. Once dried, grind it into a fine powder. Place the powder into a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Mix everything well until you achieve a smooth consistency. Before applying the serum, cleanse your face thoroughly. Take a small amount of the mixture and gently apply it to your skin using upward motion. Leave it on for a short period according to your skincare preference, then rinse if desired. Avoid applying near the eyes or on irritated skin. Always perform a patch test before using any homemade skincare product. Remember, healthy-looking skin comes from consistent skincare habits, proper hydration, a balanced diet, and sun protection. This DIY orange peel and glycerin serum can be a simple addition to your skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ayesha Bilal Beauty and Cooking for more beauty tips, skincare ideas, and easy DIY remedies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Ayesha Bilal Beauty and Cooking for more beauty tips, skincare remedies, hair care advice, and easy recipes. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Cherry Blossom.